Sairam, dear children. Today I am teaching Water for All, Class 3, EVS, Part 5, Chapter 12. In Part 4, I have explained to you about well, underground water, hand pump, tube well, water supply in locality. So, in this part, let us have the explanation. So, some of the important points to remember. Water is very important for all living beings to survive. Water is also a medium of transport. I think all this point I have explained in the previous parts, part 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in this part, let's remember some important points and we'll move on to exercise. Okay, so I'll read out the points. You can also repeat after this. Okay. Rain is the main natural source of water. Pond is a small depression in ground filled with water. Some plants like cactus can live for long without water. Camel can live without water for many days. Many birds like duck, pelican and flamingo live in water. Sea is one of the biggest water bodies on the earth. Hand pump is used to draw underground water. Okay, children. So, next point is tube well is generally used by a farmer to irrigate his field. The water from all the tanks is supplied to all the houses through pipelines. So, now we will have the exercise session. So, first main is tick the correct option. So, in that first question is water is a dash. Options are natural resource, man-made resource, none of this. So, the correct answer is, think children, yes, that is natural resource. Water is a natural resource. Okay. So, second question, they use water to extinguish fire. So, the options are firemen, farmers, gardeners. What is the correct answer, children? So, firemen, they use water to extinguish fire. So, firemen use water to extinguish fire. Okay, children. Third question. Animals like cat, dog, etc. need water dash. Options are weekly, monthly, every day. What is the correct answer? We'll think yes, that is every day. Animals like cat, dog, etc. need water every day. Okay. So, fourth question, it is one of the biggest water bodies on the earth. River, sea, pond. So, the answer is sea. Sea is one of the biggest water bodies on the earth. Okay, children? Okay, children. So, next, it is also called tank. Options are pond, ocean, lake. So, the correct answer is pond is also called tank. Okay, children. So, sixth question, it is also used to supply drinking water to people in cities? So the options are well, hand pump, tube well. So what is the correct answer? That is tube well is also used to supply drinking water to people in cities. Okay. So the summary is, we had explained you about water, uses of water and sources of water, and also rain, river. All this point we had remembered in this part. So question section. So first question, dash is very important for all living beings to survive. Second question, dash is also a medium of transport. So next we have third question. You have to fill in the blanks here, children. So third question is, dash is the main natural source of water. Fourth one, dash plants can live for long without water. Fifth question, dash animals can live without water for many days. Okay children, understood? So this is the exercise part as a notes session. You have to write on all this question and answers, like fill in the blanks, tick the correct answers in your classwork and practice it. Okay children, thank you.